Welcome, solo gamers. This is Rico again of Solo Board Gamer Nantondo. Today, I arrived one of my back KS game. It is the Voynich Puzzle. This game has been that has take its inspiration from the Voynich manuscript, which is as of now that book has never been translated, so nobody knows what is the meaning of those drawings, of those wordings there, or that's the recipe of what, or maybe we don't know right now. But we don't deal with that right now. We just want to have fun. So as you can see, the box is quite good. The art is quite good, as you can see. The art the art on the Voynich manuscript has been placed into here. So this is a 1 to 4 player game. So it was published by Salt and Pepper Gamer. So as you see, there's a box here. And it was also featured in SNSPL this 2025 that happened in Germany. I'll go there when I have the money, of course. As you can see, it's quite big. The box is quite big. It's almost the size of my forehand. Yeah. So let's unbox this now. Let's see what's inside. What surprises? What surprise awaits us? When I'm doing removing the plastic, when I box board games like this one, I don't intend to remove the plastic or having wreck the plastic or just destroy it. I use the plastic as its main cover instead of buying another plastic to cover my green board. I use its plastic to have its cover. Now, let's see what surprises is inside store for us. The game is quite good. The pictures are quite good. So this is how the technique when you open, when you wanted your plastic to become a cover. Yeah. So let's open this one. It's getting excited, guys. This is excited. My excitement. The plastic. That plastic cover is not much. Okay. Okay. I thought was inside already. The tension. One more. Okay. I think I have it now. Okay. So you just slide the seashore so not to make damage. You just cut it open like an X. You cut it open like an X. See? And here, like an X. So we're going to open the box right now. Let's see what's inside. I'm quite excited. Oh, the manual. This is the rule book. Nice. Nice. The rule book is nice. Yes. It also has the scoring and of course the rules for solo gaming. As you can see, because I bought this game because it has a solo mode. That's why it's been featured here in Solo Board Gamer Nantundo. And also, it has a translation for, I think this is German. Yeah. German translation. Oh, look at those punch cards. Those are the puzzles. Yeah, okay. And this one. Voynich himself. The first player. Marker. Oh, look at that game board. Oh, let us see that one. Let us see that board game. Let us open. Ah, it is anxious of this one. Oh yes, it's quite big. It's quite big, my friend. It's quite big. The board game itself is big and it's beautiful. Yeah, but the quality is not much good. Yes. Ah, okay, 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 okay. Let's see what's more inside. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's good. Let's see the meeple. Let's see the components. These are the components. These are the leaves. Yes, the leaves and the microscopes used by players and the trackers. These are the trackers. Yes. The drops and the star markers. Ah, yeah, it's good. Quite good, yeah. And these are for the automa for the solo. Okay. Oh, these are the booklets. These are your booklets when playing the game. So it will have the 4 pieces, as I remember. Yeah, booklets. Yep. Okay. Let's see the cards. Oh, these are the cards. So let's open it and let us see. This is quite good. Getting excited with this one. I wanted to play this. I want to know how this been played. Yeah, I wanted to play this. And this game will not be available for retail. So those who don't back the game, the only way they can get the game, one is if they go to the event, the Spiel Essen Spiel in Germany, they can get a copy. Second one, if uh, somebody will release a copy. So look at that. I think this is used for the Automa. Yeah, this is for the Automa. Yes, let's see on the booklet. This is for the Automa. 40. Ah, no, it's help cards. 40 Voynich cards, 40 help cards. So that will be 80. See, okay, let's see. Ah, and this is now the cards. This will be inserted on those booklet. Let us open it right now. Let us see. Ah, the art is beautiful. You see? Those are the arts. They're beautiful. Huh? You see that? Okay. The art are beautiful. Yeah. Take this for automation. And again, folks, those are the contents for this game. I hope you like this video. And again, I will make a board game session of this game. But right now, I have too many games on my backlog. I need to finish first the previous game that I unboxed, the Civil War, and then this will be the next one, and I think I'll make a video also with the trilogy of the South Tigris. Again, as I said, too many games, too many board games, too few time. And that's all, folks. And again, this is Rico of Solo Board Gamer ng Tondo saying goodbye for now.